Lesson 103. Switch on. Switch off. What am I doing?
You're switching the light on.
What am I doing?
You're switching the light off.
Preparatory it. Prepare. It is plus adjective plus infinitive with to. What do we mean by a preparatory it?
By a preparatory it, we mean that we use the word it at the beginning of a sentence to prepare us for some information that comes later in the sentence.
Give me 3 examples, please.
It is very difficult to understand what he says. Was it usual for him to come here every Sunday? It isn't common to find that kind of bird in this part of the country.
Is it easy to learn to speak English as well as an English person?
No, it isn't easy to learn to speak English as well as an English person.
Is it common in your country for people to eat a cooked breakfast in the morning?
Yes, it's common in my country for people to eat a cooked breakfast in the morning.
Determine. Determined. Determination. Extremely. Success. Luck. Intelligence. Have you determined what you're going to do for your next holidays?
Yes, I've determined what I'm going to do for my next holidays.
What have you determined to do?
I'm going to go to Spain.
When you start to do something like learning a language, are you usually determined to continue to the end, even though what you have started is extremely difficult?
Yes, when I start to do something like learning a language, I'm usually determined to continue to the end, even though what I've started is extremely difficult.
Who's the most determined person you know or have ever met?
The most determined person I know is my mother.
For success in life generally, which do you think is more important than anything else? The determination to succeed, luck, hard work, or intelligence?
For success in life generally, I think luck is more important than anything else.
Steal. Stole. Stolen. Owner. What are the 3 forms of steal?
The 3 forms of steal are steal, stole, stolen.
If someone steals your umbrella, does that mean you have the right to steal someone else's?
No, if someone steals my umbrella, it doesn't mean that I have the right to steal someone else's.
If someone stole a book from a shop and was caught doing so, what would probably happen?
If someone stole a book from a shop and was caught doing so, the owner of the shop would probably call the police.
Have you ever had anything stolen from you in this town?
Yes, I've had something stolen from me in this town.
Active. Activity. Would you say you were a rather active kind of person?
No, I wouldn't say I was a rather active kind of person.
What kind of activities interest you most of all?
The kind of activities that interest me most of all are going out with friends, reading, etc.
Organise. Supposing a group of foreign students came to stay with you for the weekend, what would you organise for them?
Supposing a group of foreign students came to stay with me for the weekend, I'd organise a visit to a museum and a meal in a restaurant for them.
Are you good at organising things?
Yes, I'm good at organising things.
Gift. Even if. What kind of gift would you give a boy of 15?
The kind of gift I'd give a boy of 15 would be a football, a bicycle, etc.
Do you think you should always accept a gift from a friend, even if you don't like what they have chosen?
Yes, I think you should always accept a gift from a friend, even if you don't like what they have chosen.
What do we mean if we say that someone has a gift for languages?
If we say someone has a gift for languages, we mean that they are naturally good at learning languages.
Engine. Do you know how a car engine works?
No, I don't know how a car engine works.
Barrel. Beer. What do we use for keeping large quantities of wine or beer in?
We use a barrel for keeping large quantities of wine or beer in.
Steam. How's steam produced?
Steam is produced by boiling water.
Oppose. When you wanted to do something as a child and your parents opposed your plans, what did you do?
When I wanted to do something as a child and my parents opposed my plans, I got angry.
Seat. Stool. What's a seat?
A seat is anything that we sit on.
Do men in this country stand up and offer their seats to women on buses?
No, men in this country don't stand up and offer their seats to women on buses.
Do you think they ought to?
Yes, I think they ought to.
Why?
Because it would be polite.
What's the difference between a chair and a stool?
The difference between a chair and a stool is that a stool does not have a back.
About how many passengers does the average bus seat?
The average bus seats about 80 passengers.
Where's the seat of government in this country?
The seat of government in this country is in Westminster.
Idiom 4. Get on somebody's nerves equals irritate somebody. What does the idiom get on somebody's nerves mean?
The idiom get on somebody's nerves means irritate somebody.
Give me an example, please.
Mary's very nice, but her sister gets on my nerves. She is always making things difficult.